Hello, good day. This is Angelo Santos, one of the support here in Groove. And today I will show you how you can save a template properly. So I will just go to my Groove pages, and you have seen that this is a free account. As you can see, still have an upgrade button. So I will go to the Groove pages, and let's just see if I can just try to go here. And let's just save a template. So alright, so let's just say that I want to save this page as a template. So if in my pages, I will show you my templates so far, and you see that there is no something like this one. So I will just set this one, save as a template, click this save as a template. So after I click that, there is nothing that will happen. But what you can do is to wait, because there is a green confirmation on this side here that will say content saved. So that will be your indicator that the template is saved. Alright, so it is still not viewing on this side where it says content saved. So let's just click again, save this as template. Maybe it was not click, or let's just okay. So we click again the save as template. So we should just wait for the green confirmation, and it will sometimes, yep, as you can see now, it is now content saved. So it will really take time, but you really need to wait for that content save name. Then if you go here to add your templates, it will not show up directly. So you just need to reload your page builder. Alright, and then just go to the pages, add a new page, my templates, and now you can see that there is now a home now. But it still now have something like this, but you can preview it. Let's see if this will preview. And yep, this is what we have saved as a template. So now we can just select this one, and we will probably have that now as page number 4. So let's just wait. Right, so for this one, if you have added the page here, so maybe we can just first rename this one. Let's just edit settings if this is happened to you. So let's just rename this as added page, and then um, just for example, right? And I'll just hit the check mark, and you will see now that this has been added to your page. So that's how you can save your template. So you just need for the content save confirmation, and you will have that page template. So after you save, click the save template, you just need to wait for the green confirmation, and then reload your page and add the actual page on here. And then you need to rename it first for the actual page to be added. And I hope this video helps you, and this will be the end of the video, and have a great day everyone.